What comes to your mind when you hear lean manufacturing? Literal meaning of lean is thin, means no fat. Lean manufacturing was evolved as a part of Toyota production system. TPS was founded by Taiichi Ohno in 1950s and took decades in perfecting it. TPS system starts with the customer by asking what value we are adding from the customer's perspective, because the only thing that adds value in any type of process, be it in manufacturing, marketing, or a development process, is the physical or information transformation of that product, service, or activity into something that customer wants. In this video, you will learn 8 ways of manufacturing. My name is Rajiv Sridharan. Happy learning. Transport waste refers to movement of parts or information more than required, resulting in wasted effort, energy, time, and cost. You can see the raw material is brought from stores which is located far away. This is an example of transport waste. Inventory waste, producing more work in progress, ordering more raw material, and storing more finished goods than what is required for the customer. Raw material more than required to meet customer demand is stored in the stores. This is one example of inventory waste. Motion waste, any non-value added movement caused by inefficient work center or process layout. Motion waste is movement of the person, while transportation waste is movement of the product or material, which adds to cost and cycle time. In this example, you can see the operator is bringing the wrench from another location. This is a perfect example of motion waste. Waste due to waiting. Idle time between consecutive value-added steps due to lack of people, information, equipment, or materials. So in this example, you can see the operator is waiting for the next action. So it can be because of waiting for decision, or waiting for material, or waiting for the machine, etc., etc. Waste due to over processing. Processing more than what is required by the customer. So in this example, you can see the surface finish required for the part is RA 3.2. Now the inspector started inspecting the surface finish, and he find that the surface finish is not equal to mirror finish. So it is an over expectation and over processing. So in order to meet the mirror finish, the part again need to undergo an additional operation like polishing and all. Whereas already the surface finish is meeting the drawing requirement of RA 3.2. Overproduction. This waste is producing more than the customer demand. You can see the parts are being produced and the customer demand is almost equal to the tray which is kept, and now it is overflowing with the additional parts produced. So this is one of the biggest waste. Waste due to defect. All non-conforming products or services that contain errors or lack something of value, for example, rework and scrap. In this example, there are two parts, and on comparison, one part is free of dents, scratches and all, whereas the other part, there is a big dent mark, and this is found to be defective and finally get rejected. This is one of the most important waste. This waste due to skill is the inability to utilize the full human potential. When Taichi Ono developed TPS, this eighth waste was not part of that. So when this system got popularized, skill was later got added. So in this example, you can see a pilot is driving a forklift. Of course, he is doing that work very well, but whether his skill is being utilized properly, the answer is no. So a pilot who can fly an aircraft now is not utilizing his skill, so he is only driving a forklift. This is only an example to show how the skills are not being properly utilized. So this is one of the biggest waste. Now a quick review of all the waste again, all 8 waste again. T for transport, I for inventory, M for motion, W for waiting, O for overprocessing, O for overproduction, D for defect, and S for skill. So this you can read as Tim Woods. This is the shortcut to remember the 8 waste. TIMWOODS. Tim Woods stands for transport, inventory, motion, waiting, overprocessing, overproduction, defect and skills.